I'm gonna be an astronaut.
Searching for Sarasota skiing Angela.
Sarasota skiing trap.
What's up, Ben?
Sarasota skiing trap.
Hi, Batacave.
Sarasota skiing trap.
Interesting question, Batacave.
Sarasota skiing trap. Bro, I'm trying to get this shit to work. Sarasota skiing trap.
Sorry.
We're going to the shooting range. Wherever there's more hicks.
Some hit blood.
Fucking creep ass. I look like a hick too.
Yeah, bro, you
I look like a dad slash like hick or something. I just need like a straw, pretty long stick, but I'm like a full on hick, so. Sarasota skiing trap. Sarasota skiing trap. You shoot here often, dude?
Yeah, bro.
My cover's blown.
Alright, we are at the range. About to go, what's that location called?
Sarasota skiing trap.
Come on, man, push that shit. It's actually fast, so fast. Yo, this thing's a tank. They're shooting. Yo, watch out. Oh my god.
My camera almost flew off.
Yeah, that would be funny if we actually crashed.
Number one. Alright, we're here.
Sarasota skiing trap. Nice little, I mean, this is our original like practice location anyways. We just kind of set up right there and then press the button and we're good to go. Let's get it. We got number 58 right here. Let's go.
I'm 8, he's 5.
Get it. All right, guys, I'm gonna do a little unboxing video. We got ourselves a Mossberg 930. Nice powerful rifle. It's a Remington 870 Super Mag. All right, we're shooting 3.5s out of here.
Oh, are we now?
Yeah, slugs.
Slug boy.
We're gonna be unloading. All right, I'm gonna go high. That is not high.
It's all the way out there, you see it?
Oh my god. Hold on, one more. Horsepower on horsepower. The key card? See?
Almost forgot that.
Not an old head.
Just trying to, you know, blow off some steam.
Alright, hopefully we don't crash into these dudes right here.
These guys. Oh, fuck.
So close, you think I can make
Oh,
it?
that sun now. Oh, fuck.
Oh my god.
Yo, wait, chill. I'm about to, like, fly out of here.
I actually went down. Yo, we should do it on the way back. We
What?
should go down.
Go down there.
On the way back. I went up there.
That
You
one's
wanna
sketch.
go up?
Yeah, we'll do it. Wait till I get the GoPro. Let's go on the way back.
On the way back.
Yeah. That path is scary. Yeah. God damn, bro. It's getting scary.
This thing is nice, man. It's kind of fast.
Oh, for sure, bro. Looking around with some 870 Super Mags.
930. We got the laser. Well, I used to have a laser, but I took it off. I have a red dot sight on it.
Nice.
Pretty cool.
Can we see it?
And it's on.
Oh yeah, it's a green dot.
It's green right now. I
Yeah.
could change it to red.
We're just gonna show you guys what we're all about. I'm about to get the doubles.
Nice.
Shooting guns out here. We're in a jungle.
It's 3 rounds. I'm just gonna wing it. Blow these up like you're in Call of Duty. Alright, I'm gonna try to take out a branch, see what happens.
One right.
Load it up. Yeah, the middle one.
Right there.
I hit it. Alright, one more.
Alright,
I feel like that branch is like
sec.
bulletproof. Local tree before.
Definitely hit
It's
him.
going down without a fight.
I'm just trying to finish the job. Get that fucking branch off that tree, alright? It doesn't belong there.
We're zoomed up on it. Whenever you're ready. you got a little bit off.
We're gonna fucking get this tree if it's the last thing we do. It's time to take out this branch. Strong branch. Do not attempt this at home.
Uh-oh. We're taking the detour. I don't know where we're at right now.
We're on a back road, boy.
Where are you taking us, bro? Oh shit, dude, that's not... Oh, fuck. I low-key want to put the guns back and then get another golf cart and then we can race. My cart broke down. I was racing Ezra and then mid-race my car just started to like go I was still faster than him though.
My cart was already weighed down because your fat ass already
Blew up and
He lost the race.
and it went down there somewhere. We don't really know. We kind of just pushed it off to get rid of the evidence.
They'll never know. Your fucking rematch, yeah?
You got a chance.
I'll race you on my feet. You have to go. You have to. You slowly. I'll do this. Running backwards. Get back here, boy. Hello. Oh, y'all.
Yo, there's the golf cart. Let's see if it works now. What? Dude, no way. All right, let's go. Woo! So that go-kart, whatever the fuck you call these Johns, they're faster, right? That one's faster right there. But it breaks down, so you got yourself a BMW right there, and then you got yourself this right here, nice little Buick. Oh shit. Wow, that thing's really hauling ass. Just look at that thing go. Oh, I can't even climb up. Look at that. I'm going so slow. Yo, yo! Fucking donuts. Alright, there you go. Holy fuck. That's ballsy as fuck. This is what we were originally trying to accomplish with these go-karts. Some dope ass footage, nice ass pictures for the gram. Check that shit out. He's a little bit ahead, but I think we're gonna arrive soon anyway, so see you guys there. Alright, we got overheating engine problems again. Let's see what's under the hood.
This is what it plugs into, so it's like the battery.
The engine compartment. And as you can see, there's water. That's why it doesn't work.
Really? We got water damage?
Yeah, light up again. There's water right there. I love how we're like trying to diagnose this shit and it's like getting dark. We don't have enough time. We're gonna starve out here. Fuck. Fuck. Alright, fuck that. I guess this is where the adventure ends.
Yeah, we might go out and grab some food.
Yeah, I'm fucking starving. Alright, see you guys.
Peace out. One or two what?
Bowls of pho.
Smells like an egg roll.
Steamed hi cha cha.
Hi cha cha.
Oh yeah. Some limes. Just put everything in there. It's like a bucket. Stuff what you can. We need some greens too. Freshly harvested. Alright, let's enjoy.
Let's eat up, bro. I'm hungry.
3, 2, 1. So we just finished eating and we got fucked over. We got the food.
They charged us $4.95, $5 for extra meat.
How dare they?
Why they gotta charge $5? 5 likes and we dropped one like and we one like on this video. And we drop some fire next video. That one gets 2 likes. You don't even want to know what our third video is.
Let's do that. No, for real.
5 likes. 5 likes. We're new to YouTube, so we're trying to get started out. We got some quality content. It's never been seen even by us before, but it's coming. We have some ideas. Look at this kid. Alright guys,
That's a really
for that one we want 10 likes.